everyone. Let's see what is there in the day hidden for you. Don't dwell on what might be on the other side of the closed door. There are a lot many times when we are very excited about what is there on the next side. Forget to live in our present. We just worry about our future. We don't enjoy the moment. I would suggest you to go ahead and live in the moment. Don't worry about what is there going to be in future or what is there on the other side. Just clear your perspective and clear your thoughts. Enjoy whatever there is coming in the day and use it for your benefit. Everyone you meet is another part of you that wants to be loved. Whenever we are worried about how people are going to go ahead and perceive, or we can perceive them also in a wrong way, that is not sometimes very good. Always remember, whatever we give in this universe, we get back. So please go ahead and take care of people around you, take care of environment around you, take care of animals and birds around you, and give them lot of love. Treat them with compassion. Just take care of them like you want to be taken care of, and things will start changing, and that will give lot of happiness and will bring lot of good fortune in your life. Let's see what else is there. There are certain long term relationships also which might start if you start taking care of people. Love is definitely there on your cards. The more you give, the more you get. That is what it is for the day. Now let's see if in case there are any messages around that. Okay, there are certain divine feminine energies there around you. The more you would go ahead and take care of the environment, the more you would go ahead and take care of the people, you would be protected by this universe, and you would definitely feel the protection throughout the day. There would be a lot of positivity which would add in your aura and would go ahead and give you a lot of good and positive energy. Just take care of whatever is being told and be very prudent about what you are doing throughout the day. There will be certain people, those who would be coming in your environment, those who would be little shattered or heartbroken, or they might need your help. Just figure that out how you can go ahead and treat them well, and that is definitely going to go ahead and bring a lot of good fortune in your life too. That's an awesome reading. Stay connected.